Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony G, and today I'm going to talk about what to wear in the fall, a must item you should wear in the fall. People always have this impression because it's gloomy and dark and rainy and the season is changing that they have to wear a dark color. So I am going to suggest to you an item which is a turtleneck, but I'm going to show you all these beautiful bright colors, and I'm going to pull them on out and show you. So fall is a gloomy time of the year. So, you know, people tend to constantly dress up dark and gloomy. So I have a different opinion. So for me, I'm going to show you a beautiful turtleneck. This turtleneck is 100% wool. It's been washed, so you can see that the different shades of the wash, and it looks heavy, but it's actually quite light. And it's a honeycomb weave. So the honeycomb weave gives you this little texture that's beautiful, super soft, right? This happens to be in a light gray, right? And I'm gonna show you all the most beautiful colors that we have, right? So there's a blue, there's a teal, must have a white, actually eggshell white, which is beautiful. One of my favorite, yellow. By the way, my last name is Giallonardo. Giallo means yellow in Italian, huh? A pink. A coral. And a beautiful mint. So these items are beautiful. And now I'm going to show you how you can wear them. Right? So just to give you an idea, a blue blazer. Everybody has a blue blazer in their closet. Okay? A beautiful blue blazer. This happens to be in cashmere. And look, we pick the teal, the mint, here, beautiful. We take the yellow. Beautiful. So this brightens up your day, right? So when you get up in the morning, you know it's raining, it's ugly, the temperature is changing. The cream, fantastic. The teal, beautiful. The light blue, gorgeous, and so on. So I'm not going to show you all, but you get the idea. Now I'm going to show you another item that you could wear, right? I wear these all the time, right? This is my vest, my go-to item. And obviously the cream, right? The cream with the vest is outstanding. So when it's not so cold, you don't want to wear warm stuff, you wear a vest and a turtleneck, right? The first one we showed you, the gray, gorgeous. We can go back to the pink. Gorgeous. So you see how these colors actually brighten your day instead of making it gloomy. The rust, gorgeous. So you're getting an idea of what I'm trying to get to. I'm going to show you one last item that you can wear, which is just a bomber jacket, because in the fall people wear bomber jackets, right? This happens to be a cashmere bomber jacket. And I don't know, I can start with the yellow again. This is charcoal gray, by the way. It's charcoal gray cashmere, 100% cashmere, right? It's just a little bomber jacket. The yellow, the teal, or the mint, the pink. Look how gorgeous this is, right? It brightens up everything. Even the light blue. So I think you get the idea, right? Here's the must-have item, a turtleneck in a bright color for fall. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned, follow me, and don't forget, I started a cooking channel, cooking Italian food. So please follow the link. Thank you very much, and see you again.